Hi, I'm Amanda Zolkowski. I'm a fourth year here at SVSU. My major is professional and technical writing with a minor in political science. When it comes to thinking about college, it can be difficult to know where to start. What information is available online? How do I research my major? How can I decide if I want to explore campus further? Exploring program options is one of the first steps you should take when narrowing down your college search. If you have an intended major in mind, you can search for that program specifically. If you are still exploring your options, it can be extremely helpful to see what those options might be. You can check out our full program list by clicking on Research Our Programs. When you click on a major or minor, you will be able to see highlighted courses, key electives, complementary minors and majors, and opportunities available to graduates with this degree. You can also read some success stories of Cardinals who have recently graduated with their degree in this field. It is also important to learn about campus life and housing options when deciding what colleges to explore. Whether you're interested in more info about athletics, campus dining, or dorms, you can find your answers by clicking on Research Our Housing and Campus Life. Your experience in the classroom will be only a piece of your college experience. And at SVSU, our housing has been voted #1 in the nation among all public universities. Our dorms have private bathrooms, personal kitchenettes, high-speed Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and more. We also have over 130 clubs and organizations you can join to make friends and discover your passions. Once you've done your research, you can move on to the next step, filling out an application. If SVSU feels like a good fit for you so far, move on to step 2 for more information on what to do next.